Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of ArchiveWilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me.
This week in 1896, the APVA made their second annual pilgrimage to Jamestown. 1,000 visitors arrived by boat and lingered in the old fort overlooking the James River. This week in 1917, a memorial commemoration was held at Bruton Parish Church in honor of the 55th anniversary of the Battle of Williamsburg. Families of the veterans gathered together to remember their sacrifice. Flowers were placed throughout the churchyard while songs were sung.
Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by ArchiveWilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.